Have you ever wondered how to make people like you more? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll be sharing some valuable insights and practical tips on how to enhance your likability factor. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. The first tip to becoming more likable is to show genuine interest in others. People love it when you pay attention to them and take a genuine interest in their lives. Ask questions, listen actively, and be engaged in conversations. This simple act of showing interest can make a world of difference in building connections. Next up, positivity. A positive attitude can go a long way in making you more likable. Be the person who uplifts others, brings a smile to their faces, and spreads positivity wherever you go. Remember, people are naturally drawn to those who radiate positive energy. Empathy plays a crucial role in building strong relationships. Put yourself in other people's shoes and try to understand their perspectives. Show compassion and support when someone is going through a rough time. By being empathetic, you'll create deeper connections and foster a sense of trust. Active listening is a skill that can transform your relationships. When someone is speaking, give them your undivided attention. Maintain eye contact, nod in agreement, and provide verbal cues to show that you are actively engaged. People appreciate being heard and understood, so be an attentive listener. Finding common ground with others is a fantastic way to bond and increase likability. Look for shared interests, hobbies, or experiences. When you discover those connections, engage in conversations about them. It helps to create a sense of camaraderie and builds a foundation for lasting relationships. Authenticity is key. Be true to yourself and let your genuine personality shine through. Trying to be someone you're not will only lead to frustration and hinder the development of authentic connections. Embrace your quirks and strengths, and people will encourage you for who you truly are. Kindness goes a long way in leaving a positive impression on others. Small acts of kindness, such as lending a helping hand or offering a genuine compliment, can make a significant impact. Spread kindness wherever you go and watch as people are drawn to your warm and caring nature. One surefire way to make people like you more is by giving genuine compliments. When you notice something positive about someone, don't hesitate to express it. Be specific and sincere in your compliments, highlighting their unique qualities or accomplishments. This simple act of recognition can brighten someone's day and foster a positive connection. Active participation is not only crucial in academic settings but also in social interactions. Engage actively in conversations and group activities. Share your thoughts, ideas, and experiences. By contributing meaningfully, you show others that you value their opinion and create an inclusive environment where everyone feels heard. Non-verbal communication speaks volumes. Pay attention to your body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. Maintain an open and friendly posture. Make eye contact and use a warm and inviting tone. These non-verbal cues convey your interest and approachability, making it easier for others to connect with you. Networking is not just for professional environments, it's a valuable skill for building relationships in all areas of life. Attend social events, join clubs or groups aligned with your interests, and be proactive in expanding your social circle. Engage in conversations, exchange contact information, and follow up with people afterwards. You never know when these connections may come in handy or develop into meaningful friendships. Laughter truly is the best medicine, and it can also work wonders in making you more likable. Develop your sense of humor and use it appropriately. Crack a joke, share funny anecdotes, and bring lightheartedness into conversations. A well-placed dose of humor can create an enjoyable and memorable experience for everyone involved. Reliability is a trait that people greatly appreciate. When you commit to something, follow through on your promises and obligations. Be punctual, meet deadlines, and be someone others can depend on. By demonstrating your reliability, you build trust and establish yourself as a person others can rely on, which ultimately enhances your likability. Remember, building connections and fostering relationships is a lifelong journey. It requires consistent effort and genuine care for others. Incorporate these strategies into your daily interactions and you'll witness the positive impact they have on your relationships. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences on this topic in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Until next time, stay likable, stay genuine, and keep spreading positive vibes. Take care.